ESG is an acronym, stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. What we are talking about when we mention ESG is really what's considered an ESG report on an organization and their environmental, social, and governance policies, plans, procedures, and how they're performing.
The world is much smaller than it used to be. We have access to a plethora of information that we did not have access to previously. So our decision-making ability has expanded beyond what you know about the company in immediate terms to being able to understand how they are engaging within the community and engaging with the environment around them.
When we think carbon, a lot of people think, okay, so I occupy a space and it uses X amount of electricity, maybe X amount of natural gas, and that's obviously emitting some sort of carbon footprint. What I think people are missing is there's several other factors that go into it, like water and waste. And there are a few companies that are kind of rising to the top to try and help people figure that out. If you're asking someone, do you like the culture at your company? That's really hard to look at from a metrics perspective, especially when you're comparing it to something like decarbonization, which is easily measured.
There's a very big disconnect between setting strategy and setting goals at that corporate level and understanding what it's going to take to implement them to achieve those goals.
There's a lot of things that you can do. How much of this are you already tackling, but maybe you're not measuring. Maybe you don't consider it a part of ESG, but it should be. When we're talking to someone who says, okay, I've been told I have to do this and I have no idea where to start, one of the things that we want to set first and foremost is a baseline.
I would really look to your stakeholders and figure out what is material to them. That's what's going to lead you in the right direction. From there, it's really about building processes and engaging with your employees to make sure that there is buy-in across your organization and that you can successfully implement a strategy. It kind of takes everybody.